Hello, in this short video, we will do a fundamental equity analysis, a quick one for Himanchal Futuristics, HFCL. So the question for you is, should you buy? Today's price at HFCL on the day today on 4th of October is 141 in the morning. So should you buy HFCL at this price of 141? Let's say, what does money control say? The money control is little split. 75% of the community sentiments is about in favor of buying and 25% sell. And then you can take a look at some of the specific comments that you have here. Now, there is no broker research that can help us decide whether HFCL is a buy, sell, or hold. So what do we say? What is our view on HFCL? So we think HFCL is safe to invest with no practical risk of loss of capital. And why is that? We will tell you in the next one. And it is right valued at the current market price of 141, with the EPS growth picking up from 10% in CAGR over last 5 years to 48% in MAT. So company's growth has profit, EPS growth has been picking up. So it is right value. However, our recommendation is to buy on dips or the signs of ROE picking up, because ROE is a concern, as we see in the next slide. So why is it a safe investment? The safe investment because debt to equity is very low at 0.25. So there is no debt that can keep bothering you in terms of interest payments. Also, the current ratio is quite good at 2.08. The only concern is the ROE, which is declining at 8.33% over the years from 11-12%. Every year, the profitability of the company practically has been declining, and that's a concern here. But otherwise, it's a safe investment. It is right valued at 141, and why so? Because the intrinsic value based on the data that we have, it works out to 160 on a MAT EPS. So MAT EPS growth is 48%, the intrinsic value is 160. But if I take CAGR of 10, EPS growth of CAGR at 10%, the EPS value drops, the intrinsic value drops to only 43. So going by the recent trend most, I would treat intrinsic value as more close to 160. And the PE is high at 62, and the price to book value is also reasonably high at 5.8. So given that, what it appears is that it's a safe investment, but the concern is declining return on equity. And the silver lining is obviously the EPS growth happening in MAT. So watch out for the EPS growth as you go along in the next quarter. And if you see that the EPS growth stays at 48% or goes even more, and ROE, you won't get any signs of ROE increasing till the end of the year. So you'll have to keep going by whether the profitability or EPS keeps picking up. And if it keeps picking up, buy on the dips or buy at the current price significantly lower than 160. So thank you so much for watching this short video. I hope you have learned a few things, you have enjoyed it, and do drop me a message of any other stock that you want me to come back to.